Feeling overwhelmed by the constant stream of wellness products promising instant calm? Let's cut through the noise and get real about Calm Pro 5. First, let's dissect what Calm Pro 5 actually is. It claims to reduce stress, improve sleep, and boost focus using a blend of, allegedly, natural ingredients. We'll need to investigate if those ingredients are actually backed by science. Time for some digging. Search the ingredients on reputable scientific databases like PubMed. Are there peer-reviewed studies showing these ingredients actually deliver on their promises at the dosages found in Calm Pro 5? This is crucial. Don't blindly trust those shiny testimonials on the Calm Pro 5 website. Look for unbiased reviews on independent platforms. Do you see a pattern? Are there more negative reviews than positive? Pay close attention to common complaints. Read the fine print. Companies pushing unproven products often rely on hidden subscription fees and complicated return policies. Check for those potential sneaky charges before you even think about entering your credit card information. Finally, remember there are proven ways to improve your well-being that don't involve questionable products. Prioritize sleep, healthy diet, exercise, and mindfulness. Often, these are far more effective and sustainable than any quick fix.